This quick video is about how to change your YouTube channel name using PC or laptop. Okay, on your PC, open any browser and click here. Then click on YouTube. Yeah, now click here. If you want to change your account, you can switch here. Then click your channel. Now click on Customize Channel. Then click on Basic Info. Yeah, here you can change your channel name. Just click this pen-like icon. Here you can completely change your channel name. For now, I just change these videos to Wits. Once you change your name, then click Publish. That's it. Now your YouTube channel name was successfully changed. Likewise, you can change, but you can only change your channel name 3 times for every 90 days. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.